Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and today we're going to be talking about our Westlake fittings that we have here. So we have every different fitting you can imagine that you need for your swimming pool. Everything from 45s to sweeps. Now these are usually installed at your pool equipment. You're going to see these running into pumps, running out of filters, on your equipment headers, which just means the pipes that all lead to the pool. There's valves that control those. All of your plumbing that needs to get done, we can help you out here. So we have fittings, we have glue, we have every product that you might need to install at your pool, all here, 2710 West Bell. We've got it in stock, ready to go. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.